All right, y'all, what's up? I want to show you on my 2008 F150 when the third door gets stuck, the back door gets stuck. Mine got stuck 2 weeks ago. There's a ton of videos on YouTube, but I just want to show you it. It's really cool, really easy to do this fix. You don't need anything except tools and a little ingenuity. So how to take it off, you got to pop this pillar out, pop that pillar out. They're held in with clips. There is a bolt here and a bolt here, and then you got to take this cover off, take these two bolts out, and then you're actually going to pop your cover that has your window control on it. There's a bolt in there. Take that bolt out and then pick it up. If it's closed, you're not going to be able to get to the very last bolt right here, so you can grab this wire and pull on it, because what happens is I guess the wire stretches or it moves or something like that from other videos I've seen, and the lock won't disengage. So there, it's engaged. The door thinks it's shut. Of course, it works for you now that I'm, trying to show everybody how to do it. So, well, let's see if I can get to. I've already messed with it and stuff, so I know that it's working. But well, it's working for me now. But anyways, yeah, that's all you gotta do. So actually, what I'm gonna do is this wire, I guess, runs up there. It gets stretched. I had to put the handle back on just to make this work. I'm actually going to pull this wire that way, and I'm actually going to get a washer. I'm just going to drill a hole right here and put a metal screw right there just to keep the gap there. A lot of people, they'll take wire or twist ties from this hole over to there to just pull the wire, and that's what'll keep it opening every time. And then you just put all the stuff back on. So really easy to do. You don't have to buy anything new. You don't have to buy a cable or nothing like that. Just take it off. It's super easy. Good luck. All right, check it out. I'm just going to show you that it's so easy. I'm going to do this repair one-handed. So you just got a steel screw that's used for like sheet metal and a little washer on there. And I'm going to get it up here right in the pilot hole. Hold up. Set it in the pilot hole that I got there. Let me open the door all the way there so I get some zip. How about that? Now the wire will move. So we'll engage it. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it works now. Son of a gun! Get in focus, camera. Look at that, all day. All day long. This repair is free. How about that? Alright, check it out, y'all. Put everything back on the door. It all works. It looks good. So there you go. Both ways. Awesome. So easy to fix.